I'm Miss Magic, Mr. Strong, Mr. Noisy, Little Miss Helpful, Little Miss Chatterbox, Mr. Bump, Little Miss Sunshine, Mr. Grumpy, Mr. Happy, Mr. Tickle, Mr. Bounce, Little Miss Calamity, Mr. Lazy, Mr. Messy, Little Miss Naughty, Mr. Persnickety, Mr. Quiet, Little Miss Scary, Mr. Small, Mr. Nosy, Little Miss Wops, Mr. Stubborn, Little Miss Daredevil, Mr. Nervous, Little Miss Giggles, Mr. Small, and Mr. Nosy, Little Miss Magic, Mr. Strong, Mr. Noisy, Little Miss Helpful, Little Miss Chatterbox, Mr. Bump, Little Miss Sunshine, Mr. Grumpy, Mr. Happy, Mr. Tickle, Mr. Bounce, Little Miss Calamity, Mr. Lazy, Mr. Messy, Little Miss Naughty, Mr. Pernickety, Mr. Quiet, Little Miss Scary, Mr. Small, Mr. Nosy, Little Miss Wops, Mr. Stubborn, Little Miss Daredevil, Mr. Nervous, Little Miss Giggles, Mr. Small, and Mr. Nosy, Mr. Rude, Mr. Scatterbrain, Miss Calamity, Miss Naughty, Miss Scary, Miss Wops, Miss Sunshine. Whoa! Ta-da! Magic! Ta-da! Magic! Good thing I came along. Good thing I came along. I can't hear you. Just trying to be helpful. I love chocolate cake. I like pencil erasers too. I love chocolate cake. I like pencil rubbers too. Poopity poop. Good morning, Dillydale. Good morning, Dillydale. Oh, crooked cucumber. Wonderful. Wonderful. Somebody needs a tickle. Somebody needs a tickle. Hello, goodbye. What a calamity. Whoa. Messy, not dressy. Messy, not dressy. Not so loud. I'll give you rude. Just look at good tidings. This website is cheap. Where is my head? Gotta boogie. Let's boogie. This is the end. Welcome to the Mr. Men Show. Who do you want to meet? The Mr. Men Show. Play a game. Watch the video. Get free stuff. Go back. Click on who you want to meet today. Welcome to the Mr. Men Show. Who do you want to meet? The Mr. Men Show. Play a game. Watch the video. Get free stuff. Go back. Move your mouse to shake things up. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Wee. Woo. Wee. Woo, 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 woo. Wee. Poopity poop. I just know you're gonna drag the asteroids around. Oh, go on. Click on the birds to make them poop. See if I can. I don't like that look at your beady little eyes. Oh, I hate that. For crying out loud. For crying out loud. Ugh, crooked cucumbers. Yes, that's the spot. Just move your mouse to make a big mess. Where did Mr. Small go? Let's have a look around and see if we can find him. Don't even think of messing me up. Everything has to be perfectly in place. Hey, just in time. Help me catch all this featherweight stuff to say the pretty flowers. Help me catch all the stuff to say the pretty flowers. Tickle, tickle. Shazam. Shazam. Wonderful. I love chocolate cake. I like pencil rubbers too. Why me? Why me? Got you. Poopity poop. Yeehaw. Yoo-hoo. Ah, sunshine. Mr. Rude.